Nokia 6210 Navigator disassembly. For disassembling, you'll need the Nokia toolkit. Remember to protect the A cover and LCD with protective film throughout the process. Release the battery cover using the SRT6 and remove it. If there's a battery inserted, remove it also. Use the T6 Plus screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws that hold the antenna module assay. Discard the screws. Remove the antenna module assay. Still using the T6 Plus screwdriver, unscrew the 2 T6 Plus screws. Discard the screws. Open the slide and release the alpha key mat using the SS93. If the key mat is glued to the dome sheet, use caution. Be sure that the tool is directly under the key mat and not only under the buttons or under the dome sheet. After releasing the alpha key mat, remove it in the direction as shown. Pull the sides of the C cover outwards to release it. Then lift up the C cover and remove it gently in the direction as shown to prevent harm to the connector. Release the connector with the SS93. Take care not to damage the springs and do not touch the surrounding components. The PWB is fixed with 2 hooks, one on each side. Use the dental pick to release the hooks and release the PWB. Close the slide. Gently raise the PWB to gain access to the main flex connector. Use the SS93 to carefully release the connector. Remove the PWB. Open the slide. Carefully peel off the UI flex assay with the SS93 and remove it. This assay will not be used again. Remove any adhesive residue. Carefully peel off the back plate with the SRT6 and remove it. Unscrew the 2 T6 Plus screws using the T6 Plus screwdriver. Discard the screws. Use the SS93 to release the clips of the A cover. Carefully lift up the A cover assay and remove it in the direction as shown. If the Navi key mat is glued to the dome sheet, release it carefully using the SS93. Remove the Navi key mat in the direction as shown. Remove any adhesive residue. The LCD shield is held with 4 metal hooks. Carefully open them with a dental tool and release the LCD shield. Remove the LCD shield. This part won't be used again. Release the earpiece with a dental pick and remove it with the tweezers. Using the SS93, carefully release the connector of the LCD. Take care not to touch the surrounding components. Release the LCD with the SS93 and remove it. Carefully peel off the main flex assay and remove it. This part won't be used again. The disassembly process is now complete.